ang laki po pala ng capital. Can I answer this? Ganito po yan. It's not about how big the capital is, actually. Sa Izanagi kasi, we focus on low risk na trading strategy for it to be safe. Ang tendency kasi is if maliit ang capital mo para kumita ka na malaki, the option really na strategy is to go for high risk, high rewards na trade para manalo na malaki. Ang tendency niyan is, especially sa automated trading, is nasusunog. Kaya marami pong competition si Izanagi na nasunog na. Here, because malaki ang capital, we can apply low risk strategies para stable and constant ang income natin. Again, 2 to 3% is not small. Malaki pa rin yan. But for us to be able to reach that kind of earnings, the capital has to be big. Para kung mali yung trade natin, we still have enough capital to adjust the trades accordingly. That's how you win. And that's one of the secrets of Izanagi. So don't think about the capital, think about the risk management and how safe it is. Yun dapat ang mindset when it comes to Izanagi.
So at the same time, actually can give you a potential na didiskartehan mo ba yun? Kasi in the first place na kailangan mo ng additional income, lalabas din doon yung desire tsaka drive mo na okay, gagawin ko to ng paraan. Kasi I see potential in this. Aaralin ko to.